What's up, drivers? Yo, what's up with this weather though? The weather is crazy. Cold, hot, raining, snowing. Man, the trees are they just as confused as we are. You know what I mean? But yo, I did get to shoot some hoops though last week. I haven't shot hoops in a minute. I was just happy to get out in the park though. But you know what? I ain't even gonna front, man. I got bullied on the court, man. They was bullying me on the court. I was looking like somebody uncle on the court. Like somebody just picked me up. Uncle Terry, just come fill in till the guy come back. He had to go. You know what I mean? I was out there looking like somebody uncle. It's all good. But hey, I ran across this article, right? Where this 28-year-old, you guys might have seen it. This 28-year-old guy invested in property, man. Crazy. Just from driving Uber part-time. You know what I mean? 20 hours a week he put in, but he said he read the Rich Dad, Poor Dad book, and you know, he just decided to invest in property. He said he worked super hard out there, saved as much as he can just to invest in his first property, man. He did 4 years of Uber. You know what I mean? Like, it got me thinking like, hey, what do we focus on? What am I focused on? You know what I'm saying? And it just makes you think like this guy could have been on his waiting, when he wait between rides, he could have read Rich Dad, Poor Dad. What are we doing in between rides that's bettering ourselves? Let's be real, rideshare is not forever. Full-timers. And I know some of us is about one car malfunction from being homeless. Some of us is about one tire blown from being homeless. What is our main purpose of being out there? I know it's to make money, but like I said, this is not gonna be forever. Sooner or later, these cities are going to start making laws to dip into that rideshare money. What is our goal, you know, full-timers? And I know full-timers, after we did this for a while, we do not want to look back at a 9 to 5. All right? Part-time is different. I'm talking to my full-timers right now. We do not want to look back at a 9 to 5. Sometimes I look out the window 7 in the morning and it's cold and raining. I'm like, dang, I start feeling bad for the 9 to 5ers. Even though they have good perks too, but still, that ain't one of them. You know what I'm saying? Getting up in the morning, that's not one of them. We can't get caught up into our freedom where we just chilling. Now be real, you know, full-timers, you know we'll go through that week of chilling just cause we can. You know, I know I'm a victim a couple of times, man. This guy invested in the property, right? And he went hard, man. You can read his statement, man. It was like he went hard for 20 hours a week and he was trying not to spend anything until he got that first property. Us as full-time drivers must stay focused on what we're going after. And I know a few drivers that already started a few things, you know. I know drivers that investing in their products. YouTube, you got YouTubers, you got rideshare drivers that became vloggers, you know. You got I know rideshare drivers that picked up passengers and got connected into great jobs with great benefits, great pay. All right, so you know, that's just throwing it out there. And you know, to my part-time drivers, like, do you want to do that job forever? Is that your job forever? You know, and if it isn't, what are you focused on? You know, use that money just like that guy did. He invested in property. He don't have to work anymore. The property he invested right now sums up to almost 1.5 million right now. If you are happy with your job, hey, focus on paying stuff off. Focus on, you know, your retirement. To full-time drivers, part-time drivers, we always want to prepare for the worst. You never know what's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna be out there, and I know you're gonna be out there because the money's out there. Smile up. That's why we out there. Be safe.
Terry Tips. Stay tuned to Terry Tips.